How's it going, YouTube? Thought I'd show you some things I've been working on. I'm actually working on my fourth piece. It's in the oven right now, and also working on getting some material worked up. Decided to go ahead and start a little early, getting everything prepared, because with this phone it's hard to do videos. Because thanks to the weather app, it just loves to shut off while I'm if a weather app pops up, it'll cut it off while I have it on pause. Try to see if I can get some good lighting on that. This one was actually a pain in the butt, but I love the detail. I'm going to try and do a much better one. But this time I think I'll leave out the clear material, or make one completely clear and then combine it with a almost copy or replica of this one. But the one I got in the oven is a lot different. And if you see here, it's got a little tiny hole that I filled with some of my clear material. And the whole point of this was trying to make a mold out of the clear, out of the cap material that I have from all the different lids I can get my hands on, because that's where this came in. I was actually hoping this would have been got more into the center. Well, at least I got an interesting looking cat pattern. But what I might do is actually flip it over, melt it down like that, and so that way these two pieces can melt down a lot more and the shape will change. Just gotta make sure to clean it up first, because it's some of the material. But I was just doing it at random, but it still turned out pretty great. I mean, I'm just loving the detail in these. But this one I don't think will be able to hold resin. This one will. This one's got all kinds of little crevices and everything, so that's not gonna work. But I'm gonna go ahead and pause for a second, and I'll see you in the next few minutes. Thought I'd take the time to show you how that last piece turned out. Finally got it reshapened a little bit from my last video. You would not believe how nice this is. The little plastic pegs that I used, you can see here, didn't melt down fully, but that's okay. I was trying to work on this piece and it ended up separating on me because the can fell over, so I'm going to try to fix that. What I think I might do is melt this down first, make sure to get the edges correct, and then just take this and flip it over like that, run on top of it. And it really works well with this piece if I line it up, because it's got almost all the colors of each temple from The Legend of Zelda, the Ocarina of Time. Sorry, I got these a little mixed up. I think this actually works better with the piece because the green kind of blends in with this. These things are a lot of fun to make. They're a pain, but it takes a lot of practice. Plus, I want to show you some of the smaller pieces. Now, this piece, it's still not quite finished, as you see. I'm trying to take some more of the blue. It may look green, but it's actually blue. The light doesn't show the correct tint. But I need to cover this with more blue, covering up all this orange on the back, just leaving this, and then shape it up a little bit more. Made this little piece at random. That's where I just took a bunch of the material, broke it up, and melted it down, and that's the shape it took. And I'm like, well, I'm gonna have less pieces if I if I decide to keep all the pieces from these like little, because they take a random shape that I like. I'm trying to make myself a Pokemon gym badge. As you see, it's got a couple of dark spots where the lighter sort of caught the material on fire because I got too close. This piece was completely made by a lighter. I decided to add a little extra blue to it. As soon as I get a better setup, I'm going to start making more pieces like this. Alright, well, I guess I'll see you guys in a few minutes.